Can you sit? Damn, it's big. You guys have to listen to everything that I'm about to say because it's a pretty crazy story. My car's not totaled, nothing bad happened, you know, something small happened like a couple weeks back and I just didn't know how to tell you guys and I was kind of waiting for the car to get fixed so I could show you guys because I did not want this to be another Miranda. So just please listen to what I have to say and hopefully Quave doesn't chew that stick too loud. So I'm gonna try to keep it short because I don't want to make this video way too long, but pretty much about 3.5 weeks ago, I tried filming this video when it happened, but I was kind of all over the place because I didn't want to like put it out there without having the car fixed because I did not want to get it back and have it looking like Miranda. As you guys know, my Yellow Blaze 50, I got into an accident with it. Well, my friend's mom backed into it and then messed up the fender, and then I took it to a bad shop and they pretty much had my fender and my door completely mismatched. So it was a very, very bad experience and I totally did not want this to happen to my Shelby, but here's what happened, okay? Like 3.5-ish weeks ago, I was driving back home. I was on the toll road. It was like 12-ish at night, you know, I just went to go see somebody, did my thing, whatever. I was on my way home and it was like 12-ish, 12:30-ish, and I was kind of putting my high beams on because like there's a certain bump that I hit on the way home and you know I was trying to avoid it and all this stuff and pretty much I kept like flashing my high beams and I was the only one on the road. So this is Houston right here and I was on this highway coming home, like, you know, you're out here in the Goonies, not really the Goonies, but you know, I hit some in this road, right? I was on my way home. Last minute, couldn't avoid nothing. I see like a little animal. I don't know if it was a coyote or freaking, I don't know, hyena. No, not hyena. There's no hyena in Texas. Had to be a coyote, man. Pretty much this little coyote just popped out last minute and didn't hit the front of the car, kind of like hit the passenger side corner and it completely just popped my bumper. Like, at first when I hit him, I thought my lip was gone because like, I heard that bang, but at first I thought my lip was just messed up, whatever, so I kept driving for like half a mile down. Then I stopped on the highway. I didn't even bother filming because I didn't think it was a big deal until I got out the car and I saw the Shelby. My bumper was just like hanging and that passenger side corner was just messed up. It was late at night. It was already like 12:30, about to be 1 in the morning. So I was just like, you know what? I'm literally down the street from the house. I'm like 7 minutes from the house. I'm gonna just take the car home. I can't find my pieces because the freaking highway is so pitch black. It's the tollway, like there's barely any lights, especially in the section that I was like going through. There was no lights, so I couldn't see anything because it was going over a hill, going down. So like it was just pitch black, and I couldn't find the animal that I hit. So I was just like, I might have just go home because I'm just trying to get home, bro. It's already late. I'm tired, you know, whatever. Brought the car home, hit up my insurance first thing in the morning, and then I filmed this. Damn. There's a reason why I'm making this video though. I don't want you guys to think that something else happened or that I crashed this car or anything like that. Last minute, bro, I'm telling you, out of nowhere, I remember like the highway was getting to like a little curve and like literally as I was switching lanes, hit the bump, and then like I randomly saw this thing just cross my path out of nowhere, and then I couldn't do anything about it, like swerve last minute or anything, because I was going like 80 in 6th gear. And then, boom, I heard like a bah, and I was like, I didn't even know what to say, bro. Like, it happened last night. Literally, this is the morning after. Like, I literally pulled in right away. I had to go pump E85, but I'm like, I'm literally right by the house. I gotta get this bitch home. Like, it's, bro, like, my fender is literally perfect, bro. I was so surprised. I don't know, I was just like, I need to get home, bro. I'm about to lose it right now. Because you guys know me, man. Y'all know I was like, oh my God, about to lose it. But my fenders are perfect. Like, I'm so surprised that this thing just ruined my bumper. You can see this crack right there. And just totally removed that side of the bumper. Like, look, I'm telling you guys, I didn't hit nothing. I didn't swerve. I didn't do a ball and lost control and hit the wall or something. You would tell This definitely looks like I hit something. Look, this thing got bent and freaking cracked my windshield wiper tank. Ah, man. It's funny because that next day, I wanted to look for the pieces that, you know, the pieces of my bumper. So I took the Corvette and went to the same spot where I hit the Coyote, and this is what I found. Damn. Wow with it. At least I wasn't out in the fucking Corvette last night, man. If that would have happened to my Corvette, I would have been out of here, bro. Back to Minnesota, I'm done. Just kidding. But I'm glad I was in the Shelby at least, man. Well, I don't mean to say that way, but I'm not gonna be out in Texas 2K with the Shelby, so it's gonna go get built anyways. I'm gonna be without no bumper for a fat minute, I mean. Alright, boys. This is the route I was going on the way home. I hit him somewhere around here, so it had to be around here. It had to be around here because there's a little bump. Hold on, where's? Okay, it's right there. It's right there in the front. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, there's my splitter too. Oh my gosh! I hope no one hits my freaking Corvette. Turn this bitch off. Do I have my hazards on? Damn, traffic beam! Damn! I gotta get my shit though. Oh my gosh! This is it right here. Need this. Yeah, look, this is all me, bro. Oh my gosh. This is all me. It literally happened down there. I can't even find the thing I hit. Oh, this is all me. Not that. No, not that either. Holy shit, where's that animal, man? I wonder if he's still alive. Look at this! Are you kidding me? Look at this. This flew off. And this did too. I'm trying to find the frickin' thing I hit. There's no way he survived that, bro. That Shelby smacked the shit out of him. Oh, it don't even stand by itself. It just, oh man, it's tough to see, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I can't believe this actually happened to me. Like, never in my life would I thought I'd hit something like that. Like, I used to be so cautious about that. Like I told you in Minnesota, like I used to be so cautious about that. Look, I'm even making spills now on my freaking. Oh, yeah, that shit. I think you should have hit a deer. That's what I'm saying, bro. That shit would have been total. Like my fenders and everything is perfect, which is I'm surprised, and my headlights are good. Everything's good. It's just my bumper completely f***ed up.
Well, if you want, I'll be here at the shop. I don't know if you want to drive it over.
Yeah, I can. No, it's drivable. Because I need to go put 85 anyways. I was gonna run out, and then yeah, I just went straight home. So.
If you want to stop by, you can. I'll be here.
Okay, bet. I'll be there in a bit then. Right. Appreciate it, bro.
All right, bye.
Yeah, I'm not gonna replace this at all.
No, you don't. See how it's fused?
Yo, man, that thing.
So whenever you get when you get a new one of these, we just have to swap it.
Okay. That is.
Okay, this.
Gone. There's a gunner. After a little bit of debating because I wanted to upload the video just like how it was, you know. But at first I thought people weren't gonna believe me. I kind of thought people were gonna say I crashed my car or whatever, which I really didn't. I haven't even gone full throttle in that car in like a year or nothing. So I don't beat on it or nothing. Like, come on, man. I don't drive that thing crazy. I wasn't even going that fast, like, on the tollway. I think the speed limit on that tollway was like 70. I was probably going like 80. I mean, yeah, probably could have slowed down a little bit. But it wasn't going to make that much of a difference. My bumper was matched out. Anyways, like I said, I was debating on uploading the video, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to wait until I get the car back because I don't want it to be another Miranda. Because, you know, I really wanted to go to this one shop, but apparently they didn't deal with insurance or whatever. So I went to another shop that my friend got work done in. So I was like, crossing my fingers that this does not turn like a Miranda. So, damn, Quaves. Everything would have been done sooner, but we got hit with that snowstorm, so it like delayed my new bumper to like get there and all the other parts that I had to get. So yeah, when I uploaded that snow video, I didn't have a bumper in the Shelby, so that's why I also didn't want to drive it too. But it took a little bit longer for them to get the parts and all that. But after they got everything, they painted everything. I went to go check it out just to make sure everything's good, and I was pretty satisfied.
I don't think for the snow, we put it right next to the whip.
Yeah.
But it does look good. It looks really good.
No, it looks good.
What do you think?
Damn near close, don't you think?
Right? I mean, it looks pretty good.
But that wasn't everything. The car still needed black stripes and needed everything back on. So I was like, you know what? Once the car is put back together, I'm pretty sure it's going to look good. I mean, I'm satisfied with the matching. I mean, it doesn't look like Miranda. That's the only thing that I wanted. I didn't want it to look mismatched as shit. So it was a pretty damn near close match. Like, I'm satisfied. It looks good. And I was like, it's going to look better with everything on it. Like the stripes, the fog lights, the grills. We should be good. It was just a little thing that happened to me. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't even know how to tell you guys, because I was like, man, people are gonna think I like lost control and hit somebody, but my fenders are perfect, and literally you can see on the video where the damage was on the bumper. So, and you found all my pieces on the tollway. So just a little bit of a story that happened to the Shelby. That car's been through a lot, and I don't plan on getting rid of it. Even though when it happened, I was like, I'm gonna fix it and try to get a Super Snake, but they're $100,000, so fuck that. Anyways, let me show you the finished result, and let me know if you think the car looks good, and if the paint is matched perfectly. Let me know. Right off the rip, it looks like it matches, like from right here.
Yeah.
Ew. Alright. It pretty much got a whole new refresh. Yo, she's on point.
Bro, it's just
Damn near on point.
nothing happens to
Oof. Yes.
On your hand right there.
Yeah.
Nobody knew that.
You thought it was just one?
Well, I thought it was a whole one.
Yeah.
We kept sending the son of a gun back, man.
And it looks real good.
Well, that's original.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, that's original,
And the
man.
lip and everything. Oh my gosh, that is great.
Yeah.
Does that match? Like nothing happened, man. I even got a whole new bottom lip. I got a whole new heat exchanger. New stripes. Perfect. Finally brought the car home. It feels so good to drive the Shelby again, man. This literally happened beginning of February. Then I dropped the car off like 2 weeks ago, and now it's back. But let me show you guys how it looks straight in the sun. Y'all let me know, man. I'll let you guys be the judge. I'm satisfied with it. Honestly, if you see a difference, it's because the bumper is just plastic. I mean, I don't think you'll ever like match it 100%, you know? But this is as close as it's gonna get. At least the top right here matches perfectly. I just know that like the little sparkles from the, like, you know, the, like, I'm trying my hard, like right there, you can probably see the difference right there. I don't know, y'all let me know. I'm trying to see on camera if it looks, maybe on camera, man, but in person it looks, I'm satisfied. In person it looks perfect. This camera is just so high quality and so expensive that it literally freaking notices all the differences and stuff.